everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a prawn recipe for you. So these are spicy Spanish garlic prawns. They're my absolute favourite. I love anything seafood. I love garlic and I love chili, so that combination is definitely a winner for me. So if you like what you see, please keep watching and I'll show you exactly how I did it. So I've got some shell-on prawns here. The heads have been removed and so have the veins, have been deveined. So I'm just going ahead and patting them dry after giving them a quick rinse. I'm now going to season with some salt. And then I'm just going to set them aside for 30 minutes. I then get my pan nice and hot and add in my extra virgin olive oil. So I'm using about 1/3 of a cup of oil here, and I'm going to bring that up to heat and then go ahead and add my garlic. So I've just got some chopped garlic here. This is about 4 cloves of garlic. And you're just going to want to let the garlic cook for a little bit, not too long. You definitely don't want your garlic to be burnt. You just want it to be nice and heated through. And then what I do is I go in with cayenne pepper. So I'm using about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Please do use whatever chili you have to hand. You could use chili flakes. You can use literally any chili you have. And I'm just going to stir that into the garlic and the oil. I then go in with some smoked paprika. So I'm using again about 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I just mix that in as well. And then you're just going to want all of that to sizzle together for about 1 minute or 2. You're then going to want to go in and add your prawns. And you're just going to basically stir it into the oil and garlic and seasonings and just make sure that everything is incorporated. I think it took about 4 minutes, maybe 3 to 4 minutes for my prawns to be fully cooked through. It's going to just depend basically how big your prawns are. So just make sure that they're cooked through, definitely not overcooked because you don't want rubbery prawns. You want them to be nice and juicy. So once your prawns are cooked through, you're going to want to turn off your heat. And then what I like to do is add about 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I know some people like to use either sherry wine or white wine, but I just like to add balsamic vinegar. I think it goes nicely. And then I also like to add the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. And that is literally your prawns done. It is literally the simplest recipe of all time. It takes about maybe 5 minutes to bring it all together. It's really quick and you would be surprised at how flavourful it is. It just packs a really good punch, and the chili and the garlic just really enhances the flavour of the prawns.